so very much, man. Tonight was a dream come true. Again, I'll never forget this moment. And I wanted to implore to you that what you've seen here today was not the brainchild of just one person. There's so many people, incredible talents that it took to create this show. And I'm so happy that I was able to bring it here, right to you to Brighton. But I want to thank every single person that took a part in creating this spectacular experience. Everybody that you've seen up here on stage, and those that you have not seen on the stage alike. And with that being said, could you please join me and give it up for the greatest DJ on planet Earth, Stix Show! I've been able to travel the world and work with so many different musicians across the planet. And up here on this stage, I believe I have the world's most incredible musicians. Will you please give it up for my band, y'all? And I believe dancers are the coolest people on the planet, you know? And up here, on this stage, I promise you all the world's best. I've scoured the earth to try to find the world's greatest dancers. So please give it up for my dancers, y'all! And we cannot mention dance without mentioning these guys. They have changed the face of dance forever. Not only are they the most famous dancers of our time, but they're some of the most famous dancers of all time. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Late Twins!
And now, Brighton, if you will, get it up with this man who has over 250 million record shows worldwide. This man has over 20 views on YouTube, 20 million views on YouTube. The award-winning, the amazing, the incomparable, the awesome, the hardest working man in showbiz, Jason Derulo!
Man, tonight was a dream come true, and honestly, whatever your dream is, I want that to come true as well, you know? And my main goal, my main goal throughout life now is to make Nah, we can't do one more song, guys. They gonna charge us. They gonna charge us. I guess we're good now. What I was gonna say is, I want your dream to come true more than anything. You know, it's nothing more incredible than being able to wake up in the morning and do what it is that you love to do. It's on your mind and it's on your heart because it's supposed to be yours. And it will be yours if you go after it with everything that you got. And if anybody tells you that you can't do it, you tell them, Jason Derulo said I can. Now I heard somebody whispering something. I always some of the whispers. I did just drop a new album. It's only fair that we do this one more time. Let's do it. Let's do it right this time.
Brighton music, Jason Derulo, sexy for me.
Bring it.
Album's out now. Let's
I
go.
love she got a son. She said her name was Aubrey. Told me, but she back it up. But she popping it like some champagne.
sexy. Sexy. Yeah, it's not your body, it's your mind, make you sexy. Sexy. Them other girls, man, I ain't even lying. It's ain't even trying to be sexy. Can't even call you fly, you're too sexy. You're too sexy. Yeah. I was the first time, so definitely, baby. I know I'm a girl, and I'm gonna try to compete. Oh, you're too sexy. Get sexy. Come on, Jay. You're too sexy for me. If you sexy, yeah, you know it's a hell yeah. You're too sexy for me. Get sexy. Too sexy for me. Come on. You're too sexy for me. Yeah, Jay. Too sexy, sexy, sexy for me. Yeah, she get it sexy. Come on, yeah, he get it sexy. Come on, yeah, he get it sexy. Yeah. One more time for Mr. Jason Derulo. I love you. God bless you.